Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, me peeps, me people. They always say, when you pass away, is the time the more money spent on you. People who didn't willing to give you anything throughout your living life will give you everything when you pass away, when you have no use at all for it. I was scrolling on social media and I came across a video, a man talking. And the man shared a story about a man he knows. And people, it was so surprising, but the funny thing about it, that is the reality of today. Based on the story, my people, the man's mother was sick in Jamaica, very sick, right? And this was a church woman. The mother called his son in America, and this man has been in America for years. And apparently was doing, maybe not the greatest, but he was doing okay in America. His mom went to the doctor, and the mom got a prescription. But the prescription his mom got, it was a little bit pricey. Not too pricey, but you know things can be very expensive in Jamaica when it comes down to medication-wise. The mom called his son and told his son that she has been to the doctor and she got a prescription that needs to fill. When he told his son the price to fill the prescription, the son told her that he had no money and that his mom should go and try and see if the church that she goes to can fill the prescription. You're there foreign and saying your mama go beg a church. What a wicked piece of boy like you. Me tell you about some pitney. In telling mother if you go try see if the church can fill in prescription. The mother was so ashamed, feel let down and disappointed that he didn't even try. The mother never got to no church because of the pride, because you know enough time, you know Jamaica already. First thing church people are going to chat you and say you have your pit in them a foreigner, you come beg church to fill prescription and this and that and ask they don't cow fat. Couple of days later, the son in America got a phone call, but this was the tragic news. His mom had passed away. And she only didn't just pass away. She passed away when they found her in the house. She was clenching the prescription like this in her palm. The prescription that she called and asked her son to help her fill, which he said he don't have any money, he cannot fill it. She should go and ask the church to and beg them if they can fill the prescription. His mom passed away, clenching the prescription like this in her palm. When her son got the phone call in America, this is the son who didn't have any money to fill the prescription or anything. He said he's going to book his flight straight away and come down. When you remember what I said to you, he had no money to fill a prescription where his mom went to the doctor. He said he was going to book a flight straight away and come down when he got the call that his mom had passed away. He booked his flight, as he said, straight to Jamaica. Rent vehicle to drive around. Everything. Come down, check on his mother. Now they need to do the funeral package. And everything, people. He turned around and said, this is his mother. And he only have one mother. And his mother deserved the best. Oh gosh, man. The man said his mother deserved the best funeral. Because he only have one mother. And she deserved the best. She should get the best funeral. And when they went to look at the casket and he looked in, he asked them, where do you have the best caskets The expensive ones. They said to him that these ones here are very nice casket, but the more expensive one are over there. He said, I need one of those, the most expensive one, because his mother deserves the best. The dead yard and the singing was like a party, like a dance hall in flash out cash. Liquor galore, food galore, everything galore. How much goat kill, how much liquor buy. Him get bands coming, him get this, him get that, he must spend how much money. But guess what? Who knows if that prescription could have saved his mother's life? But he didn't have the money to do it. Now he have money for book plane tickets straight away if he come to Jamaica. He have money for rent car for much weeks. He have money for buy the dearest casket. He have money for keep dead yard we come like a dance hall. How much liquor, how much food, how much this, how much that. For your new bands and this and that. But guess what? You couldn't fill the prescription for your mom. On the funeral day, him say, him want him mother casket to drive to the graveyard in a something nice. And him want it to be the best funeral for him mother, because her mother and she deserve the best. Limousine him inner with him family driving behind the hearse, and the hearse have one of them big fat pretty Jeep vehicle there. For his mother, his mom got a celebrity funeral from the same son who couldn't fill the prescription for his mother. We send him mother. We send him one mother go beg church to fill prescription. Sometimes people will say your mother pressure you, but sometimes your mother not go pressure you. Worse, you have some mother will understand and your mother knows say probably you can't help out or you can't help out or whatever. But he could. And it was clearly shown after his mother passed away. The mother passed away with the prescription all in her hand like us. So people, imagine only true dead man tell no tales. Imagine what was going through the mother's mind. Me boy with their foreign no long. When good a sip on social media, floss every day and a go on with himself. And me they are sick out to pass away. And beg him fill this prescription. We probably would even reach 50,000 Jamaican dollar. And him send me. Fi go beg the church for fill it. Look at a man without no money bury his mother as a celebrity because him say his mother need the best. People, let me tell you something. A lot of people experience this. When they are alive, they will never get the help. But when they pass away, they get the biggest funeral. Celebrity send off. But while a man is living, you make him suffer like dog. Cherish them when they are alive. Don't wait until they pass away. Do the little that you can while they are alive. Because once they are gone, there is no turning back. Whatever you do when they are gone, they don't know. It's pointless. You are not doing it for them. You are doing it for you. You just have to do it for look good. Or if you take shame out of your eye. But you are not doing it for them. And a lot of people see this out of them own too eye. People living and live like dog, like the worst. But when them pass away, they are buried like a celebrity. Believe when J Progress tell you that. One J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man. You not fi ask nobody nothing. And nobody not fi tell you nothing. I just one J Progress Entertainment. Believe.